Hello everyone, my name is Suhaib Ahmed and today I will be presenting on employee remuneration. In this presentation, I will explain the basic concept of employee remuneration and the key compliance requirement for business. During this presentation, you will learn the concept of employee remuneration. You will also identify different component of remuneration. You will learn types of remuneration system and you will understand accounting treatment of remuneration. So let's begin. What is employee remuneration? Employee remuneration refers to a total compensation provided to employee for their work. It includes both financial and non-financial rewards given by the employer. Importance of employee remuneration. Employee remuneration is important because it attracts skilled employees, motivates employees, it can also improve productivity and reduce employee turnover. Components of employee remuneration. Employee remuneration generally consists of basic salary, allowances, bonuses and incentives, and benefits and perks. Basic salary. Basic salary is the fixed amount paid to employees regularly for their work. It forms the main part of employee compensation. Allowances. Allowances are additional payments made to employees for specific purposes. Example, housing allowance, transport allowance, medical allowance. Bonuses and incentives. Bonuses and incentives are performance based rewards. Examples annual bonus, performance incentives, sale commissions. Benefits and perks. So, benefits are non cash rewards provided to employees. Example health insurance, paid leave, company car. Types of remuneration systems. So organization use different remuneration systems such as time-based remuneration, performance-based remuneration, commission-based remunerations. What are time-based remuneration? In this system, employees are paid according to the time they work. Examples, hourly wages, monthly salaries. And what are the performance-based remuneration? In performance-based remuneration, employees are rewarded based on their performance. It helps increase productivity and efficiency. Now, what is commission based remuneration? So, commission based remuneration, an employee receive a percentage of sales they generate. This system is commonly used for sale employees. Now, what are the accounting treatment of remuneration? In accounting, employee remuneration is recorded as an expense. It appears in the profit and loss statement of the company. Example, journal entry. When salary is paid, debit salary expense and credit bank or cash. Importance for financial reporting. Employee remuneration affect profitability, cost management, financial planning. So conclusion. Employee remuneration plays a vital role in motivating employees and improving organization performance. A well designed remuneration system benefits both employees and employers. Thank you.